Merry Christmas to everyone! In this video, I would like to show you a bit of the Christmas decoration that we put this year in our house. First of all, I would like to dedicate this video to all my lovely subscribers because we reached 100 subscribers 2 days ago. So thank you very much to all of you for watching these videos. Also, a very special mention to my mother in India who motivates me to do this Christmas home tour. So thank you very much, Minnie. I hope you like this video and enjoy it. And there we have our Christmas corner in the living room with the Christmas tree. The gifts below it are the empty boxes of the Christmas ornaments, so I put them to hide the base of the tree, but I will be using it eventually once we'll have to clean it up. The cardboard fireplace that I showed you already in a previous video, it's always full of candies, and at night we like to turn on the lights so it gives a very comfy and warm environment. On the windowsill, I like to put some nature and our 2 Indian candle holder. Also, I did the star with just paper sheet and I put 2 stars on each window. It looks very nice also from outside. And when it's a sunny day, it creates beautiful shadows on the fireplace. And this cute candle holder was my mother gift this year, and it's also very beautiful to light it at night. Here in Denmark, in case you don't know, the sunset starts more or less at 4 in the afternoon. So at 4:30 it's already completely dark. Moving to the bedroom, on the headboard of the bed, we place this light made with real paint cone. And to the decorative pillow, I added these red pom-poms to combine with some other red details that you will see in this bedroom. On the bedside table we have this tiny candle holder which I made myself with a red Christmas tree made of cardboard with some glitter. Hanging on the bedroom window I put this paper gallant. This was also a quick DIY which I found on Pinterest. And that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoy. I like our Christmas decor. And I will see you in a next video, and that will be already in 2021. So wish you all a very happy new year.